Here I have LENOVO Tab for LTE, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up. Let me do it for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys, release them as soon as Lenovo logo pops up on the screen, and let's wait a couple of seconds until the Android recovery mode pops up. So this is the Android system recovery. Here you can read a couple of useful information, and you can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's here scroll down, and here you can reboot the bootloader. You can apply update from the ADB. You can try to update the tablet by using your SD card. You can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset. You may also wipe cache partition, mount and system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, or power off the device. So in my case, let me show you how to quit this mode. Let's choose either power off, the last option, or the first one, which is Reboot System Now. Press power key to confirm it. The device is now simply restarting and booting into a normal mode, so you have to wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent. As you can see right now, you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.